Hi friends, hope you all are doing well. Today, we will start with the basics of grammar. We will discuss about the different types of sentences today, beginning with the meaning of a sentence. A sentence is a group of words making or expressing a complete sense. For example, a bird lives in the nest. There are typically 4 types of sentences. The first one is declarative or assertive. These are the ones which end with a period or a full stop. For example, a cat is sitting on the wall. The second one is interrogative. These sentences end with a question mark. For example, if you want to ask someone the name, like, "What is your name?" or "Where are you going?" The next one is imperative. These sentences are the ones which command, order, or request. For example, sit down, keep quiet, or requests such as, please pass the salt. The last one is exclamatory sentences. These sentences end with an exclamation mark and express sudden emotions. For example, what a large dog! Oh, this is excellent! Yippee! I hope this lesson was clear. You can leave me